Let's create a one-time use report. To create a one-time use report, navigate to the report screen and select the Create Report button in the top right of the reports screen. You're going to select one-time report and you're going to give the report a name. In this case, I'm just going to title it November Report. Click Next. This takes us to the Report Builder screen. Now, our first step here is to select the environments for which we would like to create this report. Now, this option will default to all environments, but individual environments can be selected using the pull down or through the search icon. In this case, I'm going to leave this one as all environments. Next, select the inspection date to be used for the report. This will default to latest inspection, but if you would like to select a specific date, click on latest inspection, select specific date, and just select a date on the calendar. If you select a specific date, you can also specify a date range in the event that metrics are not available for the date selected. If a range is selected, the report will display data from the most recent date within the range specified that has available metrics. You can also elect to exclude systems with no data. When you're satisfied with the date, just click select, but I'm going to leave mine as latest inspection. Now, we must select a report output. Clicking on this hyperlink, I see a couple options. I can select a checkbox for all environments in one report, which will generate one report with all selected environments. I can also select a checkbox for separate reports per environment, which will generate a different report for each environment selected in the reports builder. But I can also select both checkboxes to generate both a consolidated report and a report for each individual environment. I will leave mine as all environments in one report. Great, so now that we've built a report structure, we're going to select the data that will actually show up in this report. Your report will be divided in sections, and for each report section, you will select the metrics you would like to report on for one inspector type. You can use multiple sections to create a cross-system report. First, let's title this report section name. Mine will just read M365 licenses. And then I'm going to select an inspector that contains the metrics that I would like to include in this table. So in my case, I'm going to find the 365 inspector. Next, I'm going to select the systems that should be included in the report. The systems displayed are based on the environment selected above. This field will default to all systems, but you can select multiple individual environments through the dropdown or through the search icon. I will leave mine as all systems. Then I am going to select the metrics that I would like to include in this report. So in my case, I'm going to use the license user count metric, the licenses consumed count enterprise E3 metric, and the unlicensed user count metric. Great, so this constitutes my M365 licenses report section. If I want to, I can add an additional section to the report by clicking the Add Report section, and I would repeat the same process as above. So let's say that this is an Active Directory section. I'll select that inspector, keep it at all systems, select the metrics that I am interested in, and now I have another report section. Sections can be reordered in the report by clicking the dots to the left of the section and dragging the section to the desired location. You can also delete a section by pressing the trash can icon. So once you're satisfied with your report, you can simply press Create, and your report is ready. From here, you can add a schedule to your report. You can download the report as an Excel or a PDF. You can also share it via hyperlink to anybody with a Liongard account, edit the report, and finally delete the report. Now that this report is ready, it will appear in your reports screen.